Today's product review: Urban Folding Bedside Shelf come mobile and tablet stand. Hi, this is Gopakumar and welcome to my channel HIGHFIVE Tech. This product I have purchased from Amazon.in after a lot of research. This is the pack that came with it. There you go. The packing is not that so great. Let's put this aside. This is a folding bedside shelf come mobile and tablet stand. This is solid build with high grade ABS plastic. Now let me open this. First of all, this can be used as a mobile and tab stand. This is how it stands. The mobile can be or tab can be placed like this. Portrait or landscape mode. You can place your mobile. There is a lip guard here, hence it will not fall apart. You can now watch movie or read iPad, tablet or mobile in portrait or landscape mode. That also hand-free, allowing you to set your device at the eye level. Now the second use of this is that you can use it as a bedside shelf. Now let me show you how it works. This will go like this and this should be folded towards the side. Suppose your bed is this, it will go underneath your bed. There, it's underneath your bed, and this is the top part. On the top of it, you can keep your mobile, maybe your earrings, a torch, watch, balm, pen, all this will hold. Now let me remove this. The edge lip on all sides keeps the item from falling apart. It will not fall apart. Here, see, this will not go down. Now let me remove this. Another feature of this is that this has a cord slot here. So your cord will remain like this, and you can charge your mobile here. Once it is charged, you can remove it and it will remain there. Now the third advantage of this is that you can use it for reading books. Yes, reading books, I mean. There. You can keep your books here and read. Or maybe a big book. There you go. There. It will not fall again. I hope you liked my review and it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video. The link to buy this is given below. If you like this video, hit the like button, share with your friends and family. If you like to see more of these videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you need any more information, please do comment in the comment section. Bye for now, and this is Kovakumar signing off. Have a great day. Thank you.